Fall and Thanksgiving is all about smell, right? Smells in the kitchen, smells outside, smells in your home. So these are 5 diffuser blends that you are going to adore for fall. Okay, let's get right into it. So this first diffuser blend is called Thanksgiving Dinner. Appropriate, right? In the blend is 3 drops of Holiday Joy, 2 drops of clove, and 1 drop of lemon. Okay, this next one is pumpkin spice. Don't you just love pumpkin? I just love the fall, and anything pumpkin spice smells awesome. Pumpkin spice is 3 drops of clove, 2 drops of cassia, 1 drop cardamom, 1 drop ginger, and 1 drop tangerine. This one smells so good. Okay, this one is called Gingersnap. With Gingersnap, you want to take 3 drops ginger, 2 drops cassia, and 2 drops of clove. This last one I'm going to share with you might be my favorite. It's called Spiced Cider. Okay, Spiced Cider has 3 drops of wild orange, 2 drops of cinnamon, and 2 drops of ginger. And there you go, easy peasy. Your home is going to smell amazing, plus you're going to have all of those awesome benefits from the physical and emotional properties of your essential oils. If you're curious about which essential oils that you need specifically, I have a quiz down below that will walk you through your physical and emotional needs, and then I will tell you the specific oils that you need. So take that, the link is in the description below. And remember, be sure to like and subscribe, and I do a new video every Tuesday and I don't want you to miss out. Oils truly do change lives. I am Katie and I'm here to tell that story.